loves, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this neutral everyday makeup look that I created using some products from the LA Girl brand. This video was requested by Tyra Livingston, so thank you Tyra for requesting this video, and I hope you loves enjoy the tutorial. For today's neutral eye look, I'll be using the LA Girl Eye Luxe Mesmerizing Eyeshadow Quad in Harmonize, and this was $4.99. This palette has two shimmers and two mattes. The first shimmer is a champagne, the second one is more of a bronzy copper shade. The first matte is a medium brown, and the last color is a deep chocolate brown. Starting off with the lighter brown shade in the palette, I'm working that in and above my crease with my LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender brush. Today I decided to switch up my eyeshadow primer, and I'm using the AOA Studio Perfect Eyeshadow Primer in Nude. I've been wanting to try this primer for a while, and I'm really happy that I finally got my hands on it. It has a semi-thick consistency and it dries down kind of tacky, which is good because that means it will allow your eyeshadows to stick. Now with my AOA E124, I'm taking the darker brown shade and applying it to the outer third of my lid. I'm applying the light bronzy shade to the rest of my lid using my AOA E122. I'm using my Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with that champagne shade, and it is so pretty. I love the sparkles on my brow bone, especially when the light hits it. The next item I picked up from LA Girl is their Double D Mascara. It has a silicone spiky brush that coats each lash individually, so I'm really excited to try this out. This was $4.99 as well. It does have a rather dry formula, but I did notice quite the difference in the volume and length of my lashes. To finish off the top of my eye, I just popped on the Miss Lashes 3D Volume Lash in the style M368. My favorite concealer that I've been loving for months is finally running out, so I thought I would switch it up and pick up the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Fawn, and this was $4.99. I really like that it comes with a brush because I find concealers that have the brush applicator are very easy to apply. I really like this concealer. The brush applicator made it so easy to put it exactly where I wanted it. It has a nice consistency as well, not too thick, not too thin, and it was the perfect color match for my skin tone, and it looked a lot like my previous concealer. Now I'm just buffing it in with my AOA E104. To set my concealer and contour my face, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Contour Powder in the shade Tan, and this comes with a coordinating highlight and contour shade, and this product was $4.99. I'm taking my Start Fluffy blending brush to gently press that highlight powder into my concealer, and I really love this powder. It is so smooth in texture. It was very easy to blend in, and again, this is my perfect shade. As you can see, the Start Fluffy blending brush in the AOA E104 are practically the same brush. I'm blending the contour shade into my cheekbones, temples, and forehead with my Real Techniques Mini Medium Sculpting Brush. To finish off the eyes, I'm first taking my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush and buffing that lighter shade of brown along my lower lash line. With that same brush, I'm now blending that deeper shade of brown just on the outer portion of my lower lash line, the same way I did on my lid. Now I'm putting a coat of the LA Girl Double D Mascara on my lower lashes, and this spiky wand did wonders for my lower lashes in terms of length as well as volume. I'm lining my waterline with the Flower Foreverwear eyeliner in Onyx, and I also use this same liner to tightline, and I really like the look that it gave me. With my E.L.F. small smudge brush, I'm taking that highlight shade that I used on my brow bone and placing it in the inner corner of my eye. I also got a new blush. I absolutely love hot pink blushes, and when I saw this shade, I just had to get it because it's so pretty. This is the LA Girl Just Blushing Blush in the shade Just Love, and this was $4.99. I'm using my Real Techniques mini contour brush to apply this blush because this brush is pretty good at diffusing pigment, but I still went a little heavy-handed, so I just went and blended it out with my E.L.F. powder foundation brush. Of course, the last item in my haul is a brand new highlighter. This is the LA Girl Luminous Glow Illuminating Powder in the shade Sunkissed, and this was $5.99. It is a beautiful golden tone highlighter, and I really like how the packaging comes with a mirror. To highlight, I'm using my Milani highlighter brush. I really like the formula of this illuminating powder. It's a nice finely milled powder, which made it really easy to blend, and it's also buildable. Now I'm lining and filling in my lips with the Ruby Kisses Ultra Easy Lip Liner in brown, and this is such a beautiful shade of brown. I love these lip liners because they come in so many different colors, they glide on, and they're very pigmented. I wanted you loves to see how cute this lip liner looks on its own, and I think this would make a really pretty matte lip option for this look. Even though the matte lip was a really pretty look, I wanted a glossy lip, so I'm just topping that lip liner with the LA Colors Metal to the Max Metallic Lip Gloss in the shade Afterglow. This is my completed look. I had so much fun creating this makeup look with the LA Girl makeup products. I absolutely love every product that I featured in this look. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!